In this video, you'll learn how to schedule meetings using Calendly. By the end of this guide, you will have created a meeting type and shared your booking link with others to facilitate scheduling. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. You will see the main dashboard once you are signed in, displaying your existing events and options for scheduling new ones. This is your starting point for creating a meeting type. Next, navigate to the scheduling section located in the sidebar. This area contains all the tools needed to manage your meetings. After clicking on scheduling, you will be directed to a page with various options related to your meeting types. Click the plus create button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. This action will open up a new window where you can select the type of event you want to create. Choose the one-on-one event option to set up a meeting designed for 2 participants. You will now need to set important details for your meeting. Begin by entering the meeting name to identify the purpose of the meeting. Then specify the duration of the meeting, which can range from a few minutes to several hours, depending on your needs. Once you have entered this information, make sure to click Save to store your new meeting type. After saving your meeting type, you will return to the main scheduling page. Locate the copy link option beside your newly created meeting. Clicking this will copy the booking link to your clipboard, making it easy to share. You can now distribute the link through various channels. Consider sending it via email to your contacts, sharing it in chat applications, posting it on Facebook, or embedding it on your website. This allows potential attendees to choose an available time that works for them. Once someone selects a time using your booking link, Calendly automatically handles the rest. It schedules the meeting and sends a confirmation email to both you and the attendee. Additionally, the meeting will be added to your calendars, ensuring that everyone is informed and prepared. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.